Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you through the process how to fix this network hopper not working. Okay, so as we are going to discuss by each step. First of all, we have to check the power. Ensure that the power cord is plugged in and tightly connected to the back of the receiver. Make sure there is a green light on the front of your receiver. If not, press the power button. Okay. Then reset the hopper. Go to the room with the main hopper receiver. On the front of your hopper, hold and reset the down for about 5 seconds. Okay. Then ventilation. Ensure the receiver you will ventilation to avoid overheating. And there should be at least 4 inches of space between the receiver and the other electronic devices. And then perform a hard reset. Unplug the hopper from the power outlet and wait for the 10 seconds. Plug the receiver back in and turn it on to see if they resolve the issue. And then check the room and cables. Ensure your receiver is in the correct room with the cables connected properly to the TV. If you move to your receiver, put it back in the original location. Then power reset. Go to the diagnostic screen by the pressing the home button 3 times. Select tools, then reset the hooper. So this is the whole step. Thanks guys.